What if I told you that deep in the heart of Thailand, there's a place where you can witness wild elephants roam freely in their natural habitat? No zoos, no enclosures, just you, the wild, and the elephants. Oh, and of course the park ranger, because this part of Thailand is off limits without a guide. It's serious elephant territory, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. We're talking about Kui Buri National Park, the ultimate spot for seeing wild elephants in Thailand. We've been on numerous safaris before, but we've never seen this many elephants in one day. So if that sounds like your kind of adventure, then please keep on watching.
The world is waiting for you. Welcome to our traveling family, Engberts Adventures. Join our journey.
Hoi!
Zeg een muziek, mama. Kijk.
Die wil je hebben?
Zo. Kijk eens. Ja, loco. Mami, kijk eens.
Ik zie hem.
Zie je mama? Ik ga de koning doen. Best. Kijk, kijk. Ik zie wel een beetje erbij.
Kom, kom, kom.
Dankjewel. Oh,
Apen.
hier zie je.
Sorry, kijk.
Apen.
Aap. Ook het sowieso goed dat zeggen komt. Kap.
Kom, kom, kom.
Kap. Kap.
Kom, kom, kom.
Is er wel?
Wat koeien.
Kijk eens.
Komt dan een scooter aan van de andere kant. Wacht even.
Cool. Kijk eens. Dit is
Alle koeien gaan op de scooter af.
Dit is wel
Er is geen paard, er is een koe. Dus...
Ik denk hier 60 mag. Komt dat
Kijk eens, Zoe.
Oeh.
Kui Buri National Park spans over 969 square kilometers, sitting right near the border with Myanmar. This area has long been a natural migration route for wildlife, and today it's one of Thailand's most important conservation zones.
Sika. Sonika.
Not only is it famous for its wild elephant population, but it's also home to gaur, rare birds like hornbills and eagles, and even wild boars. Everything here is wild and protected, making it one of the last places where you can truly experience nature in its raw form. And the only way to navigate this wilderness is with the help of local rangers, who've spent years preserving it.
Ja, wil je die? Is oké.
We hebben gewoon 7 hornbills. Kijk.
Hier, voor ons.
Kijk nog een, kijk.
Daar.
Ja, kijk. Hier, rechts. Rechts.
Kijk, sorry, nog één. Kijk.
Oh, wat een feest dit, jongens. Stop. Here's the thing about visiting Thailand during the rainy season. People often avoid it, but honestly, it's one of the best times to come. Yes, there's the occasional downpour, but that's usually followed by lots of sunshine. Plus there are fewer crowds, which to us that's such a win. The cooler weather from the rain means the elephants are a lot more active, thus easier to spot. Instead of hiding in the shade, they're out and about playing, grazing and splashing in the puddles.
Ma.
Okay, what did you think of the elephants, Rafael?
I think it was really good.
How many elephants did we see?
Like 70 or 80.
What was your favorite memory?
When I was one, I already got a cushion from an elephant.
And where's that cushion now?
I'll get it right now.
You still have it?
Yes,
What was your favorite memory of this day?
I was really close one time. Because they were not afraid anymore of us.
Oh, ze komen. Oh my goodness. Langzaam elke keer een klein stukje naar voren, oké? Blijf laag. Zachtjes. Ik ga gewoon horen hoe ze kauwen. Hoor je dat ze kauwen? Kijk, kijk, kijk. Kijk eens. Is er nog niet? Zie je? Kijk, 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 kijk. Zoe, kijk, kijk. Parks like this one are more than just beautiful landscapes. They're a vital sanctuary for wildlife, ensuring that species like the wild elephants thrive in their natural habitats. By visiting protected areas like Kui Buri, you are not just enjoying an amazing experience, you're also supporting conservation efforts. The entrance fees and safari tours help fund the rangers and programs that protect these animals and their environments. It's a reminder that our adventures can have a positive impact, ensuring that future generations can enjoy the beauty of nature just like we did today. What an incredible day we've had! Have you visited a national park that took your breath away? Let us know down in the comments and we might visit it. And remember, whether it's rain or shine, there's always an adventure waiting for you in nature. Next week, we are taking you to another amazing national park here in the south of Thailand that not too many people seem to know about. Thank you for following us on our journey today and hope to see you on the next one. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Bye, poo poo.
Oh my gosh.